Hello, good afternoon. Konnichiwa, minasan. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. For today's video, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to digging some potato in this tree beds, guys. Because there's some potato left behind under the soil, guys. So maghukay ako. So, hukayin ko yung 3 beads, guys. Kasi sayang naman, guys, kung hindi ko mahukay lahat. So, I feel wasted, guys. In Japanese, montainai. I feel, what a waste kung hindi ko mahukay yung potato, guys. So, I got 5 potatoes from the first bed. So, now I'm going to digging in the second bed. So, as you can see, I got purple one. See? So, kapag magtanim kayo kapag magtanim kayo ng potato, guys, dapat pagkatapos nyo mag-harvest, hukayin yung lupa kasi may naiiwan pa talaga, guys. As you can see, guys, right? As you can see, may naiwan pa. So, tapos ko nahukay yung 2 beads, guys. So, hukayin ko naman ito yung pangatlong beads, guys. So, I'm sure there's a lot in here. So, there's small. Yes. So, kapag hindi nyo ito nahukay, guys, tutubo ulit ito, guys. So, for today's, for this time, guys, anong itatanim ko dito, guys, is daikon, white radish, and carrot, guys. So, dapat hukayin nyo talaga, guys. Dapat makuha yun talaga yung lahat yung potato, guys, kasi tutubo yan ulit. So, magsamok-samok na, guys, sa daikon, guys. So, yung daikon, maapektuhan yung, guys, hindi maapektuhan yung tubo ng yung daikon, guys. So, as you can see, guys, tapos na ako maghukay. I already finished digging all 3 beds. So as you can see, I got potato. So, there is some big and small one. So, approximately about 2.5 kilos. So it's very good, guys. It's not bad. It's good, guys. Because nahukay ko yung lahat potato at may nakuha pa kong 2 kilo. So, that's all for today, guys. Arigatou gozaimasu.